Hello, my name is Mario Camardella. I'm a landscape architect, CEO, and founder of ServeScape. At ServeScape, we offer one of the largest and widest selection of locally grown plant material straight from our Georgia farmers, delivered to your door. Our roots run deep in this community. I grew up at this park. We're at Chastain Park, and this is one of our first members of the Community Ambassador Program. We've also had very successful projects with Path 400, Livable Buckhead, Keep Chambly Beautiful, and Trees Atlanta. At ServeScape, we believe everyone should have access to the plant material to grow a beautiful and resilient landscape. Let's dig in and learn a little bit more about the Community Ambassador Program.
My name is Brian Barnes. I'm the Director of Operations and Volunteer Programs at the Chastain Park Conservancy. We've mostly used ServeScape for wildlife habitat restoration projects, also beautification projects, of course. A lot of our work has consisted of invasive plant removal, which has allowed native plants to come up in more natural areas of the park. Being a community ambassador for ServeScape has benefited the park in many ways, mostly by allowing us to increase the number of plants that we can plant in the park because I get a significant discount on those plants. Our impact on the park through planting native plants and other flowering beautiful plants is worth it because it allows park users and our organization to have an impact, a positive impact on the environment. We are able to have this park serve many purposes in the community. It is a haven for wildlife. It is a haven for human beings. It is an area where people find peace and solace, and it is the same for wildlife as well. This is their home. This is where they find peace, and this is where they find safety. And by combining those two, I think we're just doing a huge solid for planet Earth.
Organizations in the Community Ambassador Program get up to 15% off and additional benefits for individual community members. Please read about all the detail of this very important program so that we can build and grow and design beautiful and resilient spaces for your community. Learn more at servescape.com.